Hello there, welcome back to Crafty Corner. We are an authorized retailer for Cricut products with education and inspirational videos as well. Today I want to show you where to find the new product setup and calibration with the new Design Space update in the fall of 2023. Let's head into Design Space. Previously, there used to be a hamburger menu or the 3 horizontal lines here to find the menu. It obviously is no longer there, so I thought, well, maybe it would be here with the 3 dots. Nope. You actually want to come over to where it shows your account name with the drop-down arrow. Click on that arrow and you will see options here for profile, notifications, settings, and help. Click on the settings and then click on machines along the top. This is where you will find the new product setup, update firmware, and machine calibration. You would click this drop-down menu, select the machine you would like to calibrate, and click on Start. There are also additional settings here, including canvas, load type, notifications, and system. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching today. Hopefully this helps you navigate the new Cricut Design Space. Be sure to subscribe for all the best Cricut tips and trick videos, and head on over to Craft-e-Corner.com for your Cricut supplies. See you next time.